Good morning everyone. Welcome to our last part of class 7th chapter 2, A Gift of Chappals. This is part 11 and today we will discuss the grammar portion of the textbook. Okay, so welcome to our next part. Read the following sentences. If she knows we have a cat, Pati will leave the house. If कंडीशन लग गई, अगर पाती को पता चलेगा कि हमारे पास कैट है, वो घर छोड़ के चली जाएंगी. देयर इज अ कंडीशन. शी वोंट बी सो अपसेट इफ शी नोज अबाउट द पुअर बेगर विद सोर्स ऑन हिज फीट. अगेन कंडीशन. दोबारा से इफ आ गया. इफ द चप्पल्स डू फिट विल यू रियली नॉट माइंड. फिर से इफ. Now you are getting something, beta. Notice that each sentence consists of two parts. The first part begins with if. It is known as the if clause. The first part which is starting with if is called as if clause. ठीक है? There are two sentences and they are joined. ठीक है? There is a condition in each and every sentence. Every sentence is having some or the other condition. So here we will do some sentences with the if clause. Okay, rewrite each of the following pairs of sentences as a single sentence. Use if at the beginning of the sentence, every sentence. Okay, walk fast, you will catch the bus. So this is a sentence. Now you have to use if and then frame a sentence. If you walk fast, you will catch the bus. अगर तुम तेज चलोगे तो बस को जरूर पकड़ लोगे. अगर आ गया कंडीशन. डोंट स्पिट ऑन द रोड, यू विल बी फाइंड. ठीक है, कंडीशन है ना. अगर रोड पे स्पिट करोगे तो तुम्हें फाइन देना होगा. इफ यू स्पिट ऑन द रोड you will be fined. Again we are using if here. Don't tire yourself. Now we are doing these questions. You have to do it in your notebooks. Don't tire yourself now. You won't be able to work in the evening. तुम अभी अपने को मत थकाओ वरना शाम को तुम काम नहीं कर पाओगे. How will we frame this? If you tire yourself now. We are using if. ठीक है, अगर आप अभी अपने आप को थका लेंगे, you won't be able to work in the evening. तो शाम को तुम कुछ भी काम नहीं कर पाओगे. ठीक है, अगर we are using a condition. Second, study regularly, you will do well in the examination. अच्छे से पढ़ो, एग्जाम में अच्छा करोगे. Now we will use if here. If you study regularly, you will do well in the exams. अगर तुम अच्छे से पढ़ोगे लगातार रेगुलरली तो एग्जाम्स में तुम अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे. अगेन वी आर यूजिंग इफ हियर. थर्ड, वर्क हार्ड, यू विल पास द एग्जामिनेशन इन द फर्स्ट डिवीजन. मेहनत करो, एग्जाम में फर्स्ट डिवीजन से पास होगे. और वी कैन से अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो तुम एग्जाम में फर्स्ट डिवीजन से पास होगे. इफ यू वर्क हार्ड you will pass in the exam with first division. It's not, it is F. Okay, this is F. If you work hard, you will pass the examination with first division. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा सबको? Everybody is getting? These are very easy sentences. Be polite to people. They will also be polite to you. लोगों से विनम्र रहें, वो भी आपके साथ विनम्रता से व्यवहार करेंगे. Alright, if you are polite to others, they will also be polite to you. अगर हम दूसरों से विनम्र होंगे तो दूसरे भी हमारे साथ विनम्र व्यवहार ही करेंगे. Alright, अगर every time we are using a condition. अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे, अगर ऐसा हो तो, right? Don't tease the dog, it will bite you. If you tease a dog, it will bite you. अगर तुम डॉग को छेड़ोगे, तंग करोगे तो वो तुम्हें काट लेगा. ठीक है, अगर. So these are the if clause sentences you can practice at home even more and you'll understand more better. Let's move on to the next part. Fill in the blanks in the following paragraph. This was the paragraph. I have already filled the fill in the blanks. Today is Sunday. I'm wondering whether I should stay at home or go out. आज संडे है तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं घर पे रहूँ या बाहर घूमने जाऊँ. If I, now this was the word we had to use. इसको go ही हम लिखेंगे, ठीक है. If I go out, I will miss the lovely Sunday lunch at home. I will miss, ठीक है. I will miss the lovely Sunday lunch at home. I shall or I will miss the Sunday film showing at Archana Theatre. I think I'll go out and see the film only to avoid getting too fat. ठीक है बेटा. So these are the fill in the blanks you have to do. वो बच्चा कह रहा है कि मैं संडे को घर पे भी रहना चाहता हूँ, बाहर मूवी भी देखने जाना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं मूवी देखना ही प्रेफर करूँगा इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग मील्स एट होम एंड गेटिंग फैट. ठीक है. Do it in your notebooks. Next, complete each sentence below by appropriately using any one of the following. क्या क्या है बेटा? If you want to, if you don't want to, and the third one is if you want him to. अगर आप चाहते हो तो, अगर आप नहीं चाहते हो तो, और अगर आप उसे ऐसे करने के लिए चाहते हो तो. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. डोंट गो टू द थिएटर इफ यू डोंट वांट टू. थिएटर मत जाओ अगर आप नहीं जाना चाहते तो. ठीक है. ही विल पोस्ट योर लेटर. वो तुम्हारा लेटर पोस्ट कर देगा अगर तुम चाहो तो कि वो ऐसा करे. ठीक है. इफ यू वॉन्ट हिम टू, अगर तुम चाहो कि वो ऐसा करे. ठीक है. सो वी विल यूज इफ यू वॉन्ट हिम टू. प्लीज यूज माई पेन इफ यू वॉन्ट टू. प्लीज आप मेरा पेन यूज कर लीजिए अगर आप चाहते हैं तो. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू. ठीक है. He will lend you his umbrella if you want him to. वो अपना छाता तुम्हें दे देगा अगर तुम ऐसा चाहोगे कि वो करे. ठीक है. अगर तुम उससे ऐसा चाहोगे कि वो तुम्हारे को वो छाता दे अपना, तो वो दे देगा. If you want him to. My neighbor Ramesh will take you to the doctor if you want him to. मेरे नेबर रमेश आपको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाएंगे अगर आप उससे ऐसा चाहेंगे तो. अगेन इफ यू वॉन्ट हिम टू. अगर आप चाहेंगे कि वो आपको लेके जाए तो वो ज़रूर लेके जाएगा. डोंट ईट इट इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू. इसको मत खाओ अगर आपको नहीं खाना है तो. इफ़ यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू. अगर आपको नहीं खाना है तो ये मत खाओ. ठीक है. सो वी हैव again used if conditions in all the sentences. They are the if clauses and you can practice it at home with more sentences and you'll just clear it out. Okay students, so we are done with this chapter, chapter number 2, gift of chapels. There was a girl, I will summarize it in 2 minutes. A girl named Mridu, she used to live in Chennai with her grandparents, and one day she went to meet her Rukmani auntie with her grandmother, and where she met her cousins Ravi and Meena. They were playing with a small kitten at the backyard of their house, and Lalli, her third cousin, was learning music from the music master. So while they were playing with the cat, they heard the music, a very weird sound coming from the room where she was learning music. And when they saw from a window, they saw that Lalli was sitting very awkwardly with the violin and the music master was playing the violin beautifully. And then they described how the music master looked like and how Lalli was learning music. She was not able to give the musical notes as clear as the music master. She was not following his notes properly. Then there came a beggar. He was asking for some food. Then their mother and grandmother, they said, ask the beggar to leave the house. After that, the beggar was asking for slippers because the road was very hot. right? It was the noon time, so the road was hot, and they gave the music master's chappal in confusion to the beggar. He left the place. When the music master came out of the house, he was searching for his slippers, and he said he had a new one. नई नहीं थी, पुरानी थी, but he lied. उन्होंने झूठ बोला था बच्चों से. Then Ravi's mother Rukmani gave a new pair of slipper of Gopu Mama to the music master to wear and leave the house. And at last Gopu Mama was without slippers, and music master as well as the beggar got a gift of chappals. ठीक है बेटा? This was the chapter we read about. Hope you all understood it very well. We will meet in our next class with a new chapter. Until then, keep studying. Have a great day. Bye-bye.